Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Not going to keep you long today. Really beautifully easy salad. We're doing a chicken lemon mayo salad with some lovely vegetables there and some parmesan cheese. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started right here. So we've got some chicken here. Now my chicken, I got half a chicken. I put it in some water, boiled it with some salt, then I picked all the meat off. You can use breast chicken or something like that, it's up to you, but you need some cooked chicken, and I've just roughly shredded it. Lemon juice, mayonnaise, fresh basil, garlic, salt and pepper. All of the amounts are going to be in the list below. What we're going to do is give that a mix together, make a nice lemony mayonnaise chicken, and then we'll move on to the next part of the salad. So I've got my mayonnaise in there. We're going to add our lemon juice to that. That's going to thin it out a little bit and also give it obviously a wonderful flavour. Salt, pepper and a tiny amount of garlic there. And again, you can be playing around with this and adjusting it. I've got some fresh basil here, which I'm just going to roughly break in. I like fresh basil. You could be using a different herb if you want. Quick mix. Okay, got a nice thin lemony mayo now. Then we get our chicken and we get that in there. And again, give that a mix around again. We've got a really simple, beautiful salad here of chicken, lemon and mayonnaise. Easy as can be. So we're just going to build this up really simply. I've got some lettuce there that I've just shredded nicely. I've got some cucumber, and again, you can be really playing around with these parts here. I've got tomato. I've got some bell peppers, just some green bell peppers in there. Nice crunch. I've got some lovely sun-dried tomatoes here. Just layering stuff up. These sun-dried tomatoes have been in the oil, they're nice and soft. I've got some lovely olives here. Some nice calamata, my favourite black calamata. They're actually mauve, in fact, they're not particularly black at all. These have actually got the stones taken out. And then we grab our chicken. This beautiful, beautiful chicken lemon mayo. One more item, we're going to get some parmesan cheese, grated parmesan cheese, and if you wanted you could put some of the grated parmesan cheese in the lemon mayonnaise mix we've done. Mix it in there. That's it, beautiful, really simple salad. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you, darling.